Assalamu alaikum everyone. We make a project which is blood bank that is called saving space. I would like to show my project and explain how it's work. Okay. So first, this is our home page section and this is map section, and this is our services what we provided, and this is our about section. Now I'm going to our camp section. This is our camp section, and if some people may turn up at the event and they can donate blood if they want, and so they can get every information this camp section. And now I'm going to register. This is our register form, and people who want to need blood or need or donate blood, they all, both of them fill the section, fill the form and submit the form. Now I'm going to login section. I have already registered and already fill up and my information saved my database, and now I'm going to login section to log in my account. So this is my account. If I go to my profile, I can see my name and my pictures, and now I'm going to blood donate who want to be a donor, and they need to fill up this form for donate blood donate, and view donation who already fill up the blood donate form. We can see the when they can donate blood, event date, contact number, positions and name and age. Also we can see their addresses. Now send request. This is for blood seeker who want blood and they also need fill up this form, and we can see view request and donor seeker position and when they need blood and contact, age, and also address, so that can blood donor find the blood seeker and they donate the blood and contact with them, and that's it. Okay. So here is the our page, homepage, and also if someone can manually not find search blood group, they can find here a specific blood group like as O positive, search, and they can see blood group O positive, and I already saw that O positive 2 times, and here see we can 2 times. Okay, now if someone someone search A positive like this and there's no result because we have no A positive in our database. So don't worry, that's not a big issue. So I can add another feature that is called blood banks, so that can if people cannot get any blood, they can found here and they can contact with these blood banks, so that can easily get blood. Okay, now I'm going to contact section. People can directly contact with us. They can just simply fill up these options and I need blood. They can send mail. We can receive mail personally, and our organization mails we can receive, and we can reply as soon as possible so that we can touch with our people and get a proper reply, and we can get we can help our services. Okay, now this is all about our project. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.